no mind now. Cake when we go serve with the shop small. He come, he carry cake, carry all of them, carry everything. Just imagine, give me belly joy. Just say, you want carry the full package. Totally everybody they manage. Love. They laugh. My husband, they laugh.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Akia Queen. Una know say Akia Queen just married now, so Facebook can't catch fire. People can't fall out for them. They can't talk say Akia Queen after everything where you talk say you not go marry because of wetin happen to you before, so you not go marry until your pikin reach 18 years. Why you can't marry now? People can't begin the verse for Akia Queen, you understand? People can't the verse. So many people can't do video, even Lolo do video, Rita do video, or Emila Akin do video too. So many people come the verse say Akia Queen after you don't advise people finish, say make them not marry, say you dey fear to marry because of where they fear jogodo you where you dey small. So because of that one, you know, many man can't go do that kind of thing to your daughter. So now because of your daughter, you not go marry. Akia Queen, you not go verse for people because many people must talk for this thing. Many people must verse say after you don't advise them finish say make them not marry, at the end you can go marry. You know say na normal say people must fall out for you. People must talk. So you're not supposed to even verse for them. You can't come out. Instead when you go to do your honeymoon now, you can't still come out, begin come they reply them. No. Don't reply anybody. You know say na normal for social media, sha. You know, not be say you don't know. All those where you can't come out, can't they respond. For me, it not really make sense. I'm gonna list it, sha. Before I go tell her what I want to tell her.
They laugh. So don't worry. Now where they said the Toto they go now for see me for plenty of fish. Why they hawk Toto for plenty of fish? Come my back. Now for see my young cute Bobo, okay? You can see spark, it's got muscle, it's cute, it's amazing. If your husband not get muscle, you get pot belly, not put up for my body. I they tell now for Facebook say any man with pot belly, I know they carry. Even if my belly big, I know. Okay.
And she just do marriage yesterday. Yesterday, yeah. Akia Queen supposed to do this one now. No. You're not supposed to do this one now. What you need now, your honeymoon. So if they hotel, they enjoy yourself. You understand? Just you come off of Facebook. Fine. But you see the YouTube, they talk. You say you don't want to talk for anything we concern them again. As they talk about you boof them. No respond. This time now you're supposed to deal with your husband, deal with your oga. They do your honeymoon there. Even though they talk, say your oga wear coat or you wear this one, leave them and do your honeymoon. You must not respond to everybody. You understand?
But I know they carry big belly. I know they carry my way legs slim. I know they carry one young, cute guy. He go school, get job, get everything. They okay, get ass. Get car, everything. And here, I just know say I can't sit down. All right. How you dey follow me fair? Oh, you think say because I be a shower, I go carry pot belly. Oh, go they kill your papa. Don't be a shower get the best man. You dey craze. All those are shower, not be millionaire, they carry them come off a shower road. Eh, they craze. You will Ibo give money for Italy. We should Ibo give you money. Not be millionaire Ibo. You go carry your Ibo sit down put for us, not they see money give you. Rubbish. Not say that we get the best husband. We know they do carry husband where they wash yash. Lifetime, yeah, you never wash yash more. Later, I go come get better job. No, you just the wash yash all your life. Wait till I put the swear for you. No, let me. You guys are absolutely amazing. You guys are funny. You guys are crazy. You're everything. Okay, I won't get upset, no, because my husband is cute. My husband not say anything. Oh, you see, say he knows big, oh, he know he get big nose. You know why? Because, you understand now? That's why I tell now, say, if you want no man, where get, you understand? Now, nose you go for no. The only thing where you go talk for my husband, but this say get big nose.
He said the only thing when you go talk about your husband body, you say he get big nose because men wey get big nose, he say they are John Thomas.
Yes, now that nose now they keep me. Now that nose I see now, I say, something is going on here. That nose like this, that one finish me for it. So I'm like, yeah. Even before you understand, hey, before I do something, I don't see that nose say, whoo. After 12 years, you remember, say you go come off for Shower Road when they carry you come. When madam carry you come, you think and one day say you go come UK. Before you dey UK, so. You think when you just come down, go Italy or Spain where they put you, you think and one day say one day that go dey UK. I go dey UK, I'll born 10 children. All of us will say we'll born 5 children. Our market. Say if I'm married, I'll born 5 children. 5 children. 2 boys, 2 girls. 3 boys, no, 6. 3 girls, 3 boys. Our market. You know one girl, but you get 3 boys. Our market. Where baby girl? Our market. Our market. You say our market. Because you see first thing, you went for it. I don't want to go for mediocre. I want better for myself. Man, when me and I go be friend, we go talk anything. I go feel free. I go do anything. It don't tell me say I no do video now, babe. We dey only more enjoy ourselves. I say I wish I go listen to you.
You see, your God be there if you advance and say no come out, no call respond. We dey only move. Ekia Queen, respect your husband and enter house and do your only move for your hotel there. Pretend like say you know they see wetin dey happen for social media. And if anybody send them to you, the person not like you. Yeah, because if the person like you and they know your condition, you are pregnant. So why you can't do all those things, Ekia Queen? Pretend like say you know they see all those things, I beg.
You know say me na me. This is what they talk. And my grandmama me believe in. Like do talk man. You know, mama they compress me. Can't do. So you down they compress me. God, where you say my go? I chose mine. Okay, I choose my life.
My darling people, anything you want to think about this video? If I really make sense for this video, Mona leave on a comment for the comment section because I don't know the reason why Ekia Queen come and they respond. You will just do marriage yesterday. Both those people and concentrate on your marriage. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.